Okay, so today we're going to be using the Pixlr editor tool to edit a photo of our pets. So our first step is going to be to open our files on our computer and choose the picture that we are going to edit. Today I'm going to be editing a picture of my fish, because my fish are my pets. So if this were a picture of people, we'd be using the red eye reduction tool, and that would just be used by taking this tool over the eye and just doing that. And it erases the red tint that sometimes occurs when you take a picture of eyes. But because that's not happening with my fish, I'm going to hit this undo tool. You can also use gradients like this. I don't really like what that just did, so I'm going to zoom back out and edit and undo that. I'm also going to hit Control and then the minus button so that I zoom out and I have full view of the photo that I'm working on. So, there's a bunch of tools. There's a drawing tool so that you can write on your picture. So if I wanted to, I could do that. And then in this box, I could write something about my fish. But I'm not going to do that because I just want to make this picture of my fish and make it look really nice. There's this color picking tool, and you can choose different colors from aspects of the photo and just copy them. And then later that can be used with the sponge tool or the smudging tool or a bunch of different tools. You can just use that color wherever you want to use it on your photo. There's also a bunch of different, you can use that to replace color. So if I wanted to change the color of this rock, I would just select the color right here and hit OK, and then just start replacing the color. So there's also this blur tool if I wanted to blur out the background of my photo, but it's already kind of blurry already because this is an underwater photo. So I'm not going to worry about that. I also want to show these filters that can be used. So if I wanted to sharpen my image, I would choose that, and it just sharpens all the little details in the photo. Excuse me. There's also a diffuse, which makes this look all like watercolory, and I kind of like that. So I'm going to save that, and that's going to be my photo. I'm also going to use this vignette tool because I really like the way that makes my fish look. And then to just kind of finish this off, I'm going to show different like brightness contrast. So if I want to make it brighter, I just do that, and that's way too bright, so I'm gonna like go back to where it was. The contrast, I want to use it like that. View, zoom in. There's all your zoom tools, your layer tools, your navigation tools. And then I'm going to do that. So yeah, that's how you edit your photos, and you guys can take all the creative liberties with this. You don't have to do it like mine. Obviously, your guys are probably going to turn out way better than mine because you probably have a better handle on this than me. But this is just an intro to using this tool and creating your own edited photos. So, thank you for watching this and coming along with me to learn how to use the Pixlr editing tool.